In this video, we will see how to use Internet Explorer on your Windows 11 and Windows 10. As we know that Windows 11 only support Microsoft Edge browser, default Edge browser. Then here is the process how to use your Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Go to Windows Search and open Microsoft Edge browser. Click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and choose Settings. Here from the left side, click on three horizontal line and choose default browser. Thereafter, here on this page, you will find Internet Explorer compatibility mode. Here, allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, IE mode. Click on a small arrow and choose allow. And thereafter, click on restart. For this setting change to take effect, restart your browser. Click on restart. Now go to your browser page and go to search field and look for any site which you want to use in Internet Explorer. Open it. Thereafter, from the top right corner, click on three horizontal dot and scroll down and choose reload in Internet Explorer mode. Click on it. A pop-up window will open. This page is open in Internet Explorer mode. Choose done. And you can easily see Internet Explorer icon in search field displayed. It means your site is opened in Internet Explorer mode. Your site is open in Internet Explorer mode. Now some other changes you can also make to your browser. Again, go to three horizontal dot and all these pages is opened in Internet Explorer.